good morning. Welcome back to Cebu Elegant Properties YouTube channel. I am Christine, your licensed real estate broker and your property host for today. You might be wondering where I am now. And have you heard about chicharon, lechon, ampao, and so much more? I know it rings a bell. We are now here in Carcar City, Cebu, in the southern part of the island. So we will be featuring this property with a lot area of 595 square meters. And it has a family house, which I guess is around 200 square meters. And it has two gates. One is for us humans to pass through here, and the other one is for the cars. So, tara! Let's dig into this property. So this property, as you can see behind me, is provision for another house, which is supposed to be a two-story house. And the other one on my left is the main house. And the main house at the back of it has an ancillary house which has two more bedrooms. So, di na ito magtugay-tugay pa. Tanaw na ito ang sulod sa balay. As you can see, this is a PWD friendly house because they have a pathway which is ideal for PWDs. By the way guys, this gate is what we call the back gate of this property, and this space can also accommodate another two more cars. So in total, we can accommodate 6 cars in this property. This is the main entrance to the house, and basically the whole house is east facing, which means to say it can receive enough sunlight in the morning, and for Chinese belief, it is suerte. But for us, it is mahangin. Kasi if your house is facing the east or west, it is really mahangin. So let's go inside. Welcome to your new home. And as you can notice, this door is made of molave or tugas wood. This is your living area, and some of the furniture that you can see here will remain here. In case you like them, you can also ask the owners for them to put some of the furniture. So this is where you entertain guests and have family chit-chats together every day. And this is the dining area where it can house at least 6 long table here, 6-seater long table. And the dining area also has this sliding door. This is a sliding door which leads to the balcony. This is the balcony straight from the dining area. And after you've done eating, gawas ka diri sa gawas and magpahangin ka. Looking at the greeneries just outside this balcony, diba? Let's go inside. So this way is for the kitchen. Here we have also hardwood detachable cabinets, but this will remain in the property. And then on my right side is the bar area for those na mahilig mag-inom, diba? You can put wines here and all your stuff. So this is the first bedroom here, just after the kitchen. The first bedroom has cabinets here and also an air conditioner. By the way, they're using tiles as the flooring, just so you know. And then we will now see the second bedroom. The same with the other bedroom, the second bedroom also has built-in cabinet and also has an air conditioner. It's optional pala if you're gonna take the bed if you want it, and if you don't want, let the owners take it out. Now let's go to the master bedroom. But let's see first this area here, which is the shared toilet and bathroom for bedrooms 1 and 2. It also has a shower shower here, and the same with the other bedroom, meron as common toilet and bathroom, meron siya shower, and also sink and toilet. And this is the master bedroom. By the way, all the doors are made of solid wood, or what we call tugas. So, the same with the bedroom 1 and 2. This room also has a built-in cabinet here, and this can accommodate a queen-size bed, but right now they're using a double-size bed. It has its own toilet and bathroom, separate from the other 2 bedrooms. Meron din siyang shower, and then meron din siyang bowl at saka, faucet. So, we're here right now sa labas ng bahay. And for the religious people, this grotto here is an advantage for you. And this way leads to the ancillary house, which has the maid's quarter and the guest room. Tara, let's go. This is the laundry area where you can do your washing. And here is the ancillary kitchen, or what we call the dirty kitchen sa Filipino. And this one is the common toilet and bathroom for the maids and for the guest room. This one is for the maid's quarter, pero hindi pa siya gaanong kalinis ngayon. So, hindi na lang natin siya tingnan. And this one is the staff room. And this one is for the guest room. The guest room, by the way, has a air condition, the same with the other bedrooms just inside the house. So this sums up our property house tour. And if you want a provincial lifestyle living, just call us at 0917-7999-429 or 0933-8655-119. Or you may email us at myfuturehome101@gmail.com. Once again, I am Christine Emily Pantaleon, your licensed real estate broker in Cebu.